A very good morning, dear students. Welcome all. Hope you all are doing well at home. Today we will continue with the chapter Time, in which we will study to convert time from 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time and vice versa. Depending on the time interval, conversions are carried out as follows. Number 1, for the time from 12 midnight to 12:59 am, we will subtract 12 from the given time. For example, the given time is 12:35 am. Then we will subtract 12 from 12:35, which will give us 12:35 minus 12. This will give us 00:35 hours. Now AM PM is removed from this and we will put the unit as hours. So when the time is 12 midnight to 12:59 am, we subtract 12 from the given time and we will write the unit H or hours. 2. The time from 1 am to 12:59 pm is written as it is in hours. For example, change the time 3 am in 24-hour clock time. It will be written as it is, like 0300 hours, and it is read as 300 hours. 3. For the time from 1 pm to 11:59 pm, we add 12 to the given time. For example, change 5 pm to 24-hour clock time. Here the time given is 5 pm. So what we'll do, we will add 12 to 5. So 5 plus 12. This will give us 1700. So the answer is 1700 and the unit will be hour. So just we add the unit hour and we add 12 if the time is in PM. Now next, let us learn how to convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Even here, depending on the time intervals, the conversions are carried out as follows. Number 1, for the time from 0000 hours to 0:59 hours, add 12 hours to the given time and write it in AM. So when the time is between 00 hours to 59 hours, what we have to do, we will add 12 to the hour number and then write the unit as AM. So for example, if the given time is 15 hour, then add 12 to 15. That is 1200 plus 00:15. So we get the answer 12:15 and the unit will be in AM. Number 2, the time from 100 hours to 11:59 hours written as it is in AM. For example, the time is 11:25 hour. This is equal to 11:25 and AM. The number is copied as it is with the colon and the unit will be AM. Next, the time from 1200 hours to 12:59 hour is written as it is in PM. For example, 12:45 hour. So when we change the time 12:45 hour into 12-hour clock time, what we have to do? We have to just copy the number 12:45 and the unit will be in PM. Next, for the time from 1300 hours to 23:59 hours, subtract 12 hours from given time and write the unit as PM. For example, change the time 2200 hours to the 12-hour clock time. So to change 2200 hours, what we have to do, we will subtract 1200 from this number. So the step will be 2200 minus 12. So you get the answer 10:00 and the unit will be in PM. Similarly, if the time is 15:55 hours, then what we have to do, we will subtract the 12 from 15:55. So we get the answer 3:55 and the unit will be PM. So in this way we can convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time and 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. Now let's learn how to convert one unit of time to another unit. For that, let's first see the relationship between different units. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 week is equal to 7 days, 1 month is equal to 30 days, 1 year is equal to 12 months. These relationships will help us to convert one unit to another unit. Question. Convert the following. Number 1, 2 hours into minutes. Now we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what we have to do here, to convert the higher unit to the smaller unit, we multiply with the relationship between the two units. So since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so 2 hours is equal to 2 multiplied by 60 minutes. This will give us 120 minutes. Let's take one more example. Convert 2 days into hours. Now we will see the relationship between days and hours. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours, and since day is a higher unit and hour is a smaller unit, so to convert from the higher unit to the smaller unit, we will multiply the relationship, so or the conversion factor. So therefore 2 days is equal to 2 multiplied by 24 hours. This will give us 48 hours. Next is 1 week into hours. Now we know we cannot convert week directly into hours. First we will convert week into days and then days into hours. So since 1 week is equal to 7 days and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So therefore 1 week is equal to 7 days and 7 days will be converted into 24 hours. So 1 week is equal to 7 into 24 hours. This will give us 168 hours. Next is 3 minutes into seconds. Now we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 3 minutes is equal to 3 multiplied by 60 seconds. So 3 multiplied by 60 will give us 180 and seconds. So in this way we can convert the higher unit into the smaller unit. Now let's convert the smaller unit to the high unit. Now here what we have to do, we will divide with the conversion factor when converting from the smaller to the higher unit. So let's see the example. 120 minutes into hours. Now 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hour. Therefore 120 minutes is equal to 120 divided by 60 hours. This will give you 2 hours. When we divide 120 by 60, we get the answer 2 hours. Let's see one more example. 45 hours into days and hour. Now here hour is a smaller unit and day is a higher unit. So we will divide by the relationship between the two units. So since 1 hour is equal to 1 upon 24 days, therefore 45 hour is equal to 45 upon 24 days. When we divide the number, we get 1 as quotient and 21 as remainder. So 1 day and 21 hours. So in this way we can convert the higher unit into smaller unit and smaller unit into higher unit. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.